Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. We will study fi'l mudari. Actually, we are continuing to study. Take 4 more verbs. We are learning grammar using TPI. Can you show what is TPI? Hear it, see it, think it. Say it, show it, love it, and do it together. Let's revise what we have learned in the past. We know Arabic words are of 3 types. What are they? Ism, fi'l, and harf. The sign of ism are al in the beginning or on, an, in, un, in, at the end. One of them. Fi'l is what we are doing. And huruf or harf, we have taken a lot of them like bi, fi, ala, ila. Fi'l. Arabic language verbs are made up of 3 letters. And they are called root letters like fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. And fi'l is of 3 types. What are those? Madi, which is done. Mudari', which is not done yet, is being done or will be done, and amr, which is order, imperative. So madi, that which is done, we have done it. And now we are learning mudari', imperfect tense, represents that which is not done yet, is being done or will be done. Both meanings come. So yaf'alu means he does or he will do. Now let's do Madi and Mudari together. Repeat after me. Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'altum, fa'alna.
Fa'altum, fa'alna.
Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Naf'alu. Okay, so we have learned 2 more verbs in the past, which is ja'ala, for mudari forms. Ja'ala, past tense. Ja'ala, ja'alu. Ja'alta, ja'altu. Ja'altum, ja'alna. Yaj'alu. Okay, can you repeat after me? Yaj'alu, yaj'aluna.
Yaj'alu, yaj'aluna.
Taj'alu, aj'alu.
Taj'alu, aj'alu.
Taj'aluna, naj'alu.
Taj'aluna, naj'alu.
And the meanings are he makes, they make, you make, I make, you all make, and we make, or we will make. And the second verb that was given as homework, or the third, is fataha. Fataha means he opened. And what are the fi'l madi forms? Can you repeat it with me? Fataha, fatahu, fatahta, fatahtu, fatahtum, fatahna. And mudari forms? Yaftahu, he opens or he will open. So let us do the mudari forms. Yaftahu, yaftahuna. Taftahu, aftahu. Taftahuna, naftahu. MashaAllah. In today's class, first thing that we will take is nasara. Okay, nasara means he helped. We will take 2 verbs in this one, nasara and khalaqa. Nasara, he helped. Khalaqa, he created. And we'll take mudari forms. Okay, so nasara, let's take madi first. Let's not forget madi. Nasara means he helped. Can you repeat after me? Nasara, nasaru.
Nasara, nasaru.
Nasarta, nasartu.
Nasarta, nasartu.
Nasartum, nasarna.
Nasartum, nasarna.
That was fi'l madi. Okay, or those were fi'l madi forms. This is mudari. Yansuru. Now here a question may arise, which is, you had fataha yaftahu, ja'ala yaj'alu, fa'ala yaf'alu. So nasara should have been yansaru. No, it is yansuru. Why? Well, Arabs did it. Why? It is easy to say. Yansaru, a little bit challenging. Yansuru, easy. So they made it yansuru. There are many verbs, actually most of the verbs occur in Arabic on this form, in this pattern, yansuru. yansuru, yashkuru, ya'budu, and we will learn many of them or several of them in this course. So yansuru, and if this is yansuru, the third one is u, yansuru, so then all of them will be affected. Yansuru, yansuruna, tansuru, ansuru, tansuruna, nansuru. It's a small change and you will not even note. It makes speaking easy, so it should not be difficult. And as you get used to them, reading more and more, you will get used to them. So let us practice these forms. Translate. Yansuru,
He helps.
helps. Yansuruna,
They help.
they help. Tansuru,
You help.
you help. Ansuru,
I
I
help.
help. Tansuruna,
You all help.
all help. Nansuru,
We help.
we help. Translate once again. Yansuru,
He helps.
he helps. Yansuruna,
They help.
they help. Tansuru,
You help.
you help. Ansuru,
I help.
I help. Tansuruna,
You all help.
all help. Nansuru,
We help.
now in the second cycle you will repeat Arabic after me. Yansuru, yansuruna.
Yansuru. Yansuruna.
Tansuru, ansuru.
Tansuru. Ansuru.
Tansuruna, nansuru.
Tansuruna. Tansuru.
Nansuru. MashaAllah. Once again. Yansuru, yansuruna.
Yansuru. Yansuruna.
Tansuru, ansuru.
Tansuru. Ansuru.
Ansuru. Tansuruna, nansuru.
Tansuruna. Tansuru.
In the last cycle, you will repeat with me slowly and 2 cycles. Okay? So start. Yansuru, yansuruna. Tansuru, ansuru. Tansuruna, nansuru. Again. Yansuru, yansuruna. Tansuru, ansuru. Tansuruna, nansuru. Ali. Alhamdulillah. Now let's take dialogues. Does he help? Hal yansuru? Just say na'am. Yes, everyone helps. So na'am, na'am, na'am. So can you answer me in Arabic? Hal yansuru?
Naam. Yansuru.
نعم ينصر. هل ينصرون؟
Naam. Yansuruna.
ينصرون. Very simple. Again. هل ينصر؟
Naam. Yansuru.
ينصر. هل ينصرون؟
Naam. Yansuruna.
ينصرون. علم. Okay, let us take an object now. زيدان. Okay, Zaidun is default. When it is object, it is Zaidan. So I am asking, Hal yansuru, does he help Zaidan? Zaid? Is he helping Zaid? So it will be Zaidan. So in the previous dialogue we did yansuru, Hal yansuru, Naam yansuru, Hal yansuru, Naam. So just add Zaidan, 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 Zaidan at the end. As simple as that. So we are saying, is he helping Zaidan? Hal yansuru Zaidan? What will you say? Naam yansuru Zaidan. Hal yansuruna Zaidan, or do they help Zaid? You will say Naam yansuruna Zaidan. So can you answer me in Arabic? Hal yansuru Zaidan?
Naam. Yansuru. Zaidan.
Zaidan. Hal yansuruna Zaidan?
Naam.
Naam.
Yansuruna. Zaidan.
Zaidan. علم. Now between you and me. Tansuru, ansuru. Tansuruna, nansuru. Tansuru will become ansuru. And tansuruna will become nansuru. So my question is, Hal tansuru? Naam ansuru. Hal tansuruna? Do you all help? Naam nansuru. Yes, we help. Again, answer me. Hal tansuru?
Naam. Yansuru.
أنصر. هل تنصرون؟
Naam. Yansuru.
ننصر. علم. Now let us add Zaid, object. Are you helping Zaid? هل تنصر زيدا؟
نعم أنصر زيدا.
أنصر زيدا. هل تنصرون زيدا؟
نعم ننصر
نعم.
زيدا.
ننصر زيدا. Just add زيدا at the end. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take the second verb خلق. خلق means he created. Can you repeat after me the ماضي forms? خلق خلقوا.
خلق خلقوا.
خلقت خلقت.
خلقت خلقت.
خلقتم خلقنا.
خلقتم
تم.
خلقنا.
MashaAllah. Now we go to مضارع. يخلق. Just like نصر ينصر, it is خلق يخلق. Okay, يخلق, he creates. If this is يخلق, everything is simple. يخلق يخلقون, تخلق أخلق, تخلقون نخلق. Translate. يخلق,
He
he
creates.
creates. يخلقون,
They create.
تخلق,
You create.
أخلق,
I
I
create.
create. تخلقون,
You all
all
create.
create. نخلق,
We create.
again. يخلق,
He creates.
يخلقون,
They create.
تخلق,
You
you
create.
create. أخلق,
I
I
create.
create. تخلقون,
You all
all
create.
create. نخلق.
We create.
Now repeat after me in Arabic. يخلق يخلقون.
يخلق يخلقون.
تخلق أخلق.
تخلق أخلق.
تخلقون نخلق.
تخلقون نخلق.
Again. يخلق يخلقون.
يخلق يخلقون.
تخلق أخلق.
تخلق أخلق.
تخلقون نخلق.
تخلقون نخلق.
Now repeat with me slowly. يخلق يخلقون. تخلق أخلق. تخلقون
نخلق.
again. يخلق يخلقون. تخلق أخلق. تخلقون نخلق. علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take dialogues. You just have to say no, because nobody is creating, only Allah creates. So هل يخلق, does he create? You'll say لا يخلق, no, he does not create. هل يخلقون, لا يخلقون. Answer me in Arabic. هل يخلق,
لا يخلق.
يخلق. هل يخلقون,
لا يخلقون.
يخلقون. Again. هل يخلق,
لا
لا
يخلق.
يخلق. هل يخلقون,
لا
لا
يخلقون.
يخلقون. علم. Okay, now we add an object. شيء. شيء means thing. If it is an object, it will become شيئا. Okay, شيء subject or default, شيئا object. So, what does it mean by object? هل يخلق, does he create? شيئا, anything, that's the object. Is he creating something? So, شيئا. So, just add شيئا 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 شيئا. Simple. Does he create anything? No, he does not create anything. Are they creating anything? No, they are not creating anything. So, let us just say لا for instead of هل. هل يخلق شيئا.
لا يخلق شيئا.
شيئا. هل يخلقون شيئا.
لا
لا
يخلقون شيئا.
يخلقون شيئا. They are not creating anything. Alright. Again. هل يخلق شيئا.
لا يخلق شيئا.
شيئا. هل يخلقون شيئا.
لا يخلقون شيئا.
شيئا. MashaAllah. Now between you and me. تخلق, you create. أخلق, I. تخلقون, نخلق. You all, we. You just say no. هل تخلق, do you create. لا أخلق, I do not create. هل تخلقون, do you all create. لا نخلق, we don't create. Okay, answer me. هل تخلق.
لا أخلق.
لا أخلق. هل تخلقون.
لا نخلق
لا نخلق. علم. Now we add شيئا. Do you create anything? I don't create anything. So شيئا 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 شيئا. Just put at the end. هل تخلق شيئا?
لا أخلق شيئا.
You will say لا أخلق شيئا. I don't create anything. هل تخلقون شيئا؟
لا
We all
نخلق
create
شيئا.
anything. لا نخلق شيئا. We don't create anything. Now answer me. هل تخلق شيئا؟
لا أخلق شيئا.
أخلق شيئا. هل تخلقون شيئا؟
لا نخلق شيئا.
نخلق شيئا. علم. Well, here is the last interesting question. Man is who? Man يخلق. Who creates? You will say Allah يخلق. Allah creates. So can you answer me? Man يخلق.
الله يخلق.
الله يخلق. ما شاء الله. Alhamdulillah. Now I will tell you something. There are 4 patterns of verbs. So we have fataha, the first pattern, yaftahu. The second one is nasara, yansuru. Instead of yansaru, it is yansuru, just for ease. There are very minor differences, and don't worry about these if you are too much confused. Just 2 patterns. There are 4 patterns. We have learned 2. Fataha, yaftahu, nasara, yansuru. Can you teach your friend? Fataha yaftahu, nasara yansuru. Alim. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take 2 verbs which are given to you for homework. So ذكر means he remembered. Let's do فعل ماضي after me. ذكر ذكروا.
ذكر ذكروا.
ذكرت ذكرت.
ذكرت ذكروا.
ذكرتم ذكرنا.
ذكرتم ذكرنا.
يذكر, he remembers. Okay. So can you translate يذكر?
He remembers.
يذكرون.
They remember.
تذكر.
You remember.
أذكر.
I remember.
تذكرون.
You all remember.
نذكر.
We remember.
Repeat after me. يذكر يذكرون.
يذكر يذكرون.
تذكر أذكر.
تذكر أذكر.
تذكرون نذكر.
تذكرون نذكر.
MashaAllah. And the second homework is on abada. Abada means he worshipped. And fi'l madi forms, repeat after me. Abada, abadu.
عبد عبدوا.
Abatta, abattu.
عبدت عبدت.
Abattum, abadna.
عبدتم عبدنا.
And mudari will be ya'budu, means he worships. Translate. Ya'budu,
He worships.
worships. Ya'buduna,
They
they
worship.
worship. Ta'budu,
You
you
worship.
worship. A'budu,
I worship.
ta'buduna,
You all
all
worship.
worship. Na'budu,
We
we
worship.
worship. Now repeat after me. Ya'budu, ya'buduna.
يعبد يعبدون.
Ta'budu, a'budu.
تعبد أعبد.
Ta'buduna, na'budu.
تعبدون نعبد.
MashaAllah. Now let's take the learning tip. And in this we will talk about the 6th homework, which is talk to your friend about the course. We talk about hundreds of things every day with our family members, friends, or colleagues. Let us make an agreement with close friends and family members to discuss about 3 words every day or an ayah every day. Or even if it is not an agreement, you can just start and say, okay, why not we discuss about an ayah for just next 2 minutes. This will also spread a culture among us to learn the Quran. It will provide you with the best topic to discuss and bring every back to the Quran. It will be a big barakah in our social gatherings too. This practice will make us a teacher also in future and eligible for reward as promised in the hadith. خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. The best of you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it. Alhamdulillah, by the end of this lesson, which is 13th lesson, we have learned 156 words which occur in the Quran almost 32,100 times. Don't forget the 7 types of homework, which is 2 on tilawah, 2 on study. Listen to the concise recording and talk about the course. This is what we discussed in our learning tip. And recite different surahs in the Quran. And the 2 prayers, one for self, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, and another for our colleagues. May Allah help us all to learn the Quran in a Quran class. So I'm pushing it for the Quran class because unless and until you do a collective effort, the consistency and regularity will not be there, or it will be very difficult to maintain it. So I would say the first thing you should do is start a class. And the best thing also is to be a teacher there. Just download the PowerPoints and start teaching. If not, at least play the video and pause it every 5 minutes, learn together, and then continue. And if you want to become teachers, we have teachers training at understandquran.com. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, and implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalam. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.